Well, it only failed because it came loose. Well, that's because of the rubber. So there's nothing else I can do except put it all back into place, tighten it. There's no point in putting new reeds in because it might come loose again. So let's just fire up with what we got and see if it comes loose again. Let's just keep going. Otherwise everything's going as normal. It was 19.5 pound thrust with the blower going full speed, so that's actually good. put on a good show. Just blown a couple of reeds now. Ouch, yeah. Ooh, it's blown the padding too. Ouch. Oh, look at that one. Oh, it came loose again. Yeah. There's a gap there, so blown it out. Ouch, that one's gone. Big one went first. Cracked that one. Padding's gone behind the plate. It was interesting though, because it reached 19.75 pound thrust with the leaf blower going like mad, which is actually really good. I didn't try it static, but today's barometric pressure is high, so I expect it was more than 21 pound thrust static. And the leaf blower adds a lot of drag as well as supercharge effect, but it only did 19 before, maybe 19.5, but an extra 0.25, which guarantees me 21, maybe a fraction over. So, but I was after a longer run with the reeds, and it seems to me they battle now. With you got a bit of rubber in between the two steels, that one and the sacrificial backing plate. It's this bolt here that tightens it all, just gets compressed and releases them, and then it all just came undone. Well, it did on the first run anyway. It didn't look like there was any damage, so I just put it all back in place, re-tightened it and run it again. And it doesn't, I don't know if it, for that one to go sideways, that means it missed this, it came undone. I won't undo it all now anyway. I'll suss it out a bit more later, try to figure out exactly what went wrong. All in all, it was just, at this stage I'd just say it was an interesting experiment. That's about it.